Also, inmates at the Taguig City Jail benefited from the free legal assistance and medical and dental mission conducted by the Public Attorney's Office. We have the details from this report.
In accordance with President Aquino's Justice for All advocacy, the regular medical, dental, and legal assistance of the Public Attorney's Office, in cooperation with the National Bureau of Investigation, doctors, nurses, lawyers, and volunteers for prisoners all over the country is still ongoing. Today, PAO visited some detention centers in Taguig City Jail Camp Bagong Diwa to tend to more than 500 prisoners, may it be medical in terms of ailments or legal in terms of their cases or the length of their stay in prison.
Talaga ay iparamdam natin sa mga inmates na ang ating pamahalaan ay may concern sa kanila para makapagbagong buhay at kung sila na may napagbintangan lang, maipagtanggol ng tuloy-tuloy. Meron tayong libreng gamot, libreng bunot ng ngipin, check-up ng ngipin, may doktor, may nurses, may legal assistance. Holistic ang aming approach dito at nagbibigay din tayo kung ano man maitutulong sa mga preso.
PAO officials assured that medicines are sufficient and approved by the Department of Health. Since 2007, PAO has been giving medical, dental, and legal assistance to prisons nationwide.
Maasahan nila na tuloy-tuloy ang pagtatanggol ng Public Attorney's Office. Hindi kami humingi ng postponement unless talagang may mga valid na kadahilanan, nakalib yung judge, nakalib yung prosecutor, o kaya ay hindi available ang mga testigo nila. Pero kung tuloy-tuloy, bawal kami magpapospon sa aming tanggapan.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.